Cubase tip: triggering custom click sounds using Groove Agent. Route your click track into a Groove Agent instance and select your own samples for each of the counts you want to trigger.